Well, I just wanted to show everyone how to change the orifice or gas nozzle in the express soldering iron. First things you got to do is open it up. Simple nut here. Once you get on the nut, you just screw it off. Basically, the iron's going to break into two pieces. I'm going to take it out here. Show everyone how this works. So once this is undone, we're just going to pull it open. Nope, the wrong way there. Okay. Two components, the chamber head, the handle. Right here, that's the orifice. So when you're not getting good gas flow, this has to be removed. So we'll take it, remove it. Now you'll see that this is threaded. That's because old orifice styles used to be threaded and they would screw in. People were over tightening them and now they use just a regular standard drop in. So once you put it in like this, and this is the O-ring, the O-ring's two pieces. If you don't have your O-ring, it's got fire or flames are going to fly out the back of the iron. Goes right back in. You don't have to push it too hard, just firm. Put the iron back on. Once it's closed together, we're just going to screw it back on by hand. Tight. And we'll secure it. That's how you change the orifice in an express soldering iron.